Texting people right now. Texting people right now.
Don't be afraid to get it. What's the name? Don't be afraid of it. It's dead. Here. There you go.
That's the most action I got here.
Like,
I don't know. I really don't know how far this stuff is.
just you gotta get it on. There's something there.
She's going. There's something blocking. What is that?
What the hell is blocking?
She didn't take the insides out.
No, what's the insides are out? Sam.
Sam.
Oh my God.
Oh, damn.
What?
What a baby.
What do you still want? That thing was perfect.
I'll have ham tonight.
Yeah. I think I'm eating the ham. I think I'm just eating the ham.
I'm having that.
Are you serious?
What is that? What did you tell me? What?
I don't know. I never made a turkey. I don't know if that's one.
Well, I've
That's
never
really
seen
baby
something like
turkey.
this side of turkey.
Oh my god.
That ain't supposed to be a side of turkey. Turkey's supposed to be hollow.
What kind of turkey?
See ya. I'm a.
Me? I didn't do anything. I worked all day. I swear. I can't believe you were cooking.
What'd you do to it?
I gotta tell the farm.
You got two turkeys for the price of one.
Guys, guess what? The turkey was pregnant. This baby turkey is turkey.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
He's gonna do this.
Are you guys lying? I'm not making stories up.
No, it's here. I'm eating ham tonight. I told her.
I'll tell you later.
Well, what is that? What is that?
No way.
What is
I
that?
think you guys are all lying to me.
Susie, what is that?
Stu, please don't lie to me.
It's a turkey, and a turkey.
Yeah, but what's inside that turkey?
I mean, that's like a baby turkey, right? Or is that supposed to happen? Come on.
No, that ain't supposed to happen.
It's that supposed to happen?
That's crazy. That's awesome. Gotta have a full Christmas
It's a
story.
freaking Cornish hen we ground and shoved in there to screw you with. Okay?